Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith helping you see and be seen. I wanted to go over a quick unboxing with you of a new product that we just got in. Pretty excited about these. It's a new style of headlight for, you guessed it, the Cat Eye Silverado. If you know anything about us here at Sparksmith, we're big fans of the Cat Eye trucks. I've got my own personal one I've had for years and I love it. And I'm trying to find something new, something different that we can introduce. And I'm going to get out just one of these to show you kind of what they're going to look like. So you can kind of see already they are. This one is a reflector style headlight. These will come with LED bulbs for the parking light, turn signal, and the running light. They will come with LED bulbs for the low beam and the high beam, all Sparksmith brand of course, and you'll have the option to upgrade to the double shot harness so that both of these work as your running light, daytime running light, parking light, and turn signal. Also add in an option for these to either get the standard bulbs, which are nice and bright, or the signature series, which are obnoxiously bright. This off. This is this big extra box here, a little extra wiring. Now this is straight out of the box. I will have a harness that makes this plug and play, so you don't have to do any custom wiring or anything like that, or chopping up your factory harness. It's all going to be just like our grill bars for these trucks. It's going to be a complete plug and play harness, so that when you turn on either your running lights or your parking lights and headlights, this will be the effect that you get. Yeah, y'all aren't ready for this. These are cool. Get the startup animation as well as sequential turns. And if you like the amber look, these can also be run as a solid amber, just however you want to run them. So pretty cool feature on these. Like I said, they've got the white startup. I love it. And as I mentioned, these will come with a full complement of LED bulbs. The projector version is pretty much the same thing. Does all the same startup and all that. It just has a projector in the low beam spot instead of the reflector. And the advantage of the projector is it's going to have a more uniform output with a cleaner horizontal cutoff, and just have a little bit more modern feel to it. And the reflector style will just have LEDs. The projector style will have LEDs by default, and it will have the option to upgrade to a 55 watt HID kit if you're looking for maximum brightness. So if you're looking to upgrade the headlights on your Cat Eye, be sure and head over to sparksmith.com and pick up a set of these new animated startup headlights. Just one quick note, I did mention that the projector style they'll come by default with LED bulbs, and you will have the option for a 55 watt HID kit. And just to kind of show you the difference, they're real close to the wall here, but you can still kind of see. So that's your LED, and then the HID. Like I said, if you're looking for maximum brightness, this HID is going to be the answer for you.